everybody, it's Crafty Kitty. I'm here to share with you an unboxing video for 1 day savings. I will have the link to their website in the description box below, as well as the items links that I received to review. I will be doing 2 videos for this. I will do a video for one of this craft here and this craft here. So let me share with you what I got. So the first thing I got was this is just the instructions. It's diamond paint. Well, they call it diamond painting too, but really it's for stickers. So in this little kit, you get this little kit, your little diamond drills thing. You get these stickers, which is where the diamond drills go on, and I chose the superheroes. Now this is supposed to be Superman, as far as I can tell. He's a little off character, but hey, you know, he is yellow. He can be a Superman in yellow, I guess. I don't know. And then, of course, there's the other ones that I got, which were, you know, Batman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Superman, and the Flash. So I can't wait to play with those ones for sure. Plus, they gave me some cute little stickers as well to go with them. So, can't complain for that. And then, of course, all the diamond drills. And everything is nice and packed neatly. I have never worked on anything that has to do with diamond paintings, but this looks like it's going to be fun. And I know I had another video before with some other stuff in it, but those weren't quite diamond drills. Those were a different type of thing, I think, to tell you the truth. So, yes, I will. There will also be a coupon code down below that I will share in the description box, and you can use it to get a percentage off if you feel like buying something that I show you. Now this is so cool. Now I did do this video before, it just didn't take. So again, for this one, you do get the drill kit. The diamond, it picks up the little diamond drills, I guess. I'm not quite sure what all these are for, but I'll figure it out. If you have any tips on how to do the diamond painting, like, you know, lessons learned kind of thing, because this will be the first time that I did it. And they give you all these diamond drills in here. So I call them, well, I guess that's what they're called, is diamond. They're called drills. I just don't know if they're called diamond drills. But they got lots of colors in here, and I think they're very similar. So I am going to have to watch this, because I don't know if I shared this with you guys before, but I am having a bit of trouble with my eyes, and I'm not sure what's going on. Basically, I have a hard time focusing on things, so I might have to go see an ophthalmologist to see what's happening. Or it could just be that I need a new pair of glasses. Who knows? But we shall see. So those are the drill bits for those. But this is so awesome. I really love the one that I chose. Of course, it's Halloween. And this is it. It's a black kitty cat with some bats. And I'm not sure if those are horns on the cat or what. But we shall see once it's finished. And it's on this creepy looking branch. There's his tail, and he has bats hanging on his tail. I can't tell you that I am so excited to do this one. So, like I said, if you have any suggestions on how I should do this diamond painting, please leave the comments down below. I will definitely take everything you guys say and try to use it. And when I show this, we will work on it together. So that's the unboxing for this video. Again, it's for 1 day savings, and I hope you will go check out their website. So please do, and check out the links. If you'd like this cat, the link will be down below in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and let's all get crafty. Bye.